Everybody is looking for the secret ingredient that makes up the universe. Look around you. Take a moment to absorb the vastness of the universe, the infinite expanse that stretches beyond our comprehension. Everything you see, from the chair you're sitting on to the distant stars, shares a common ancestor: hydrogen. This simple element is the thread that weaves the fabric of the cosmos and our daily lives. It's the most abundant element in the universe, a fundamental building block of everything we know. Without hydrogen, the universe as we understand it would not exist. It's the smallest atom, a simple union of one proton and one electron. This simplicity belies its profound impact on the universe. Yet, from this simplicity arises incredible complexity, a cosmic symphony orchestrated by the humble hydrogen atom. It is the seed from which stars are born and galaxies are formed. Hydrogen makes up about 75% of the universe's elemental mass. This staggering abundance underscores its importance in the grand scheme of existence. That's more than all the other elements combined. Imagine the universe as a vast ocean, with hydrogen being the water that fills it. It's the dominant ingredient in stars, giant balls of glowing hydrogen plasma held together by gravity. These stars are the forges where hydrogen atoms fuse to create heavier elements, releasing immense energy in the process. Every time you look up at the night sky, you're seeing the light from countless hydrogen atoms, fusing and releasing energy across vast distances. This light has traveled for millions, sometimes billions of years to reach your eyes. But hydrogen isn't just out there in the cosmos. It's an integral part of our world, influencing our technology, our environment, and our very existence. It's here on Earth too, playing a vital role in our everyday lives. From powering fuel cells to being a key component in various industrial processes, hydrogen is indispensable. From the water we drink to the organic molecules that make up our bodies, hydrogen is an essential component of life itself. It is the foundation of the biochemical processes that sustain us. So, the next time you take a sip of water, remember, you're experiencing the universe in a drop. This simple act connects you to the stars, the galaxies, and the very essence of existence. To understand hydrogen's importance, we need to travel back to the very beginning, to the universe's grand opening, the Big Bang. This colossal explosion marked the birth of everything we know, setting the stage for the formation of the cosmos. In those initial fractions of a second, the universe was an unimaginably hot and dense soup of energy. Temperatures soared to billions of degrees, and particles collided with immense force. As the universe expanded and cooled, this energy began to condense into matter. The cooling process allowed particles to slow down and combine, leading to the formation of the first atomic nuclei. The first atoms to form were the simplest hydrogen. These hydrogen atoms were the building blocks of the universe, the foundation upon which everything else would be built. Protons, neutrons, and electrons, once whizzing around at incredible speeds, slowed down enough to be captured by the strong nuclear force, forming the first hydrogen nuclei. This was a critical moment in the universe's history. This process, known as Big Bang nucleosynthesis, forged the universe's initial supply of hydrogen, setting the stage for everything that was to come. Without this process, the universe would be a vastly different place. Imagine a universe without hydrogen. It would be a dark, empty void, devoid of the light and life we see today. There would be no stars, no galaxies, and certainly no us. Hydrogen is the essential ingredient for the formation of stars, which in turn create the heavier elements necessary for life. The story of the universe, the story of everything we know, begins with hydrogen. This simple element is the cornerstone of cosmic evolution, the first chapter in the grand tale of existence. Gravity, the universe's great sculptor, didn't let hydrogen just sit around. Over millions of years, gravity drew vast clouds of hydrogen together, pulling them into denser and denser clumps. As these clouds contracted, temperatures and pressures soared. Eventually, the hydrogen atoms were squeezed so tightly that their nuclei began to fuse. This process, nuclear fusion, is the engine that powers stars. In the intense heat and pressure of a star's core, hydrogen atoms smash together, fusing into helium and releasing a tremendous amount of energy. This energy, radiating outward from the star's core, is what makes stars shine. It's the light and warmth that bathes our planet and makes life possible. And it all starts with hydrogen, the cosmic fuel that ignites the universe. Hydrogen's influence extends beyond individual stars. It plays a crucial role in the formation and evolution of galaxies, those vast islands of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter that populate the universe. As stars are born and die, they enrich the surrounding interstellar medium with heavier elements forged in their cores. But hydrogen remains a major player, providing the raw material for new star formation and shaping the structure of galaxies. Hydrogen's interaction with dark matter, the mysterious substance that makes up the majority of the universe's mass, is particularly intriguing. While we can't see dark matter directly, we know it interacts gravitationally with normal matter, including hydrogen. This gravitational interaction is thought to play a key role in shaping the large-scale structure of the universe, drawing hydrogen into vast filaments and clusters that form the cosmic web. Here on Earth, hydrogen's importance can't be overstated. It is the most abundant element in the universe and plays a crucial role in the chemistry of our planet. It's the H in H2O, the molecule we call water, the elixir of life. Without hydrogen, water wouldn't exist, and life as we know it would be impossible. Water is essential for all known life forms, and it covers over 70% of our planet's surface. The water cycle, driven by the sun, ensures that this precious resource is continuously renewed. From the oceans that regulate our climate to the raindrops that nourish our crops, hydrogen is ever present. It is a vital part of the hydrological cycle that sustains ecosystems and human civilizations alike. But hydrogen's role on Earth goes beyond water. It is a fundamental element in countless chemical reactions and processes that occur in nature and in our bodies. It's a key component of organic molecules, the building blocks of life itself. These molecules include proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and nucleic acids like DNA and RNA. Proteins, carbohydrates, fats, DNA. All of these complex molecules rely on hydrogen. Without hydrogen, the intricate structures and functions of these molecules would not be possible. In fact, our bodies are about 60% water, and hydrogen is the most abundant element in our bodies by number of atoms. This highlights the element's significance in maintaining our biological functions. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, hydrogen is a part of our daily lives. It is involved in respiration, metabolism, and countless other physiological processes. From the smallest microbe to the largest whale, hydrogen is a fundamental component of all living organisms. It is essential for growth, reproduction, and survival. Hydrogen is woven into the very fabric of life on Earth. It is present in every cell, every organism, and every ecosystem, playing a crucial role in the continuity of life. It's a reminder that we are, in a very real sense, children of the stars. The hydrogen in our bodies was created in the Big Bang and has been part of the universe ever since. Formed from the same elements that were forged in the hearts of ancient suns, hydrogen connects us to the cosmos. It is a testament to the interconnectedness of all things in the universe.